There is western side of the property which is in question. It is an ecologically sensitive area, including sand dunes that need protection. So if any development happens over here, then the sand dunes will be damaged. And yeah, so the area meant for parking is the area that was acquired was meant for parking, and Benaulim needs this urgent space of parking, and it shouldn't be utilized for anything else. So this is what was the gist of the thing, and so now the resolution that has been taken is that the GTDC property at the mentioned survey numbers should not be leased out to any private entities for the reasons that have been mentioned. The Panchayat should also constitute a task force and initiate dialogue with the Tourism Minister, the Chief Minister and the MLA of Benaulim constituency to impress upon the sentiments of the villagers, and this has to be on immediate action. And in the event that GTDC finds it unviable to operate the parking lot at survey number 365/2A, the same should be handed over to the village Panchayat of Kana Benaulim for maintenance and to operate the same. So this was the resolution that was taken today at the extraordinary Gram Sabha.
Tourism and parking are private म्हणून आम्ही ऐकिला for 60 years. आम्ही हे नुस्त्याकार आणि आमगे बाणाले लोक आणि गांवचे लोक हे आम दिवपाक दिसनाय कित्याक जेन्ना हे पार्किंग आहलोले ते आमक लागून आम केल्ले आमकां नुस्त्या एशको कितें ते हे बी येवपाक ट्रक येवपाक जेला ट्रक येवपाक नाजा गाडयो येवपाक तेका लागून हे पार्किंग आम मागोन गेल्ले आम पोतून तेदो MLA चेचील आहलोलो चेचीला बरे वचोन ते आम पार्किंग करून हाडले आनी आतां लोकां म्हूण सांगिलां आनी हे प्रायवेट दिताय हे आम करून दिवपा नाय आमी तितू तेंप दुखू आम तेकोन हेज फिशरी जागा आहा तो मागों लागल्या कितू तेंपू जालो तो लोकल आनी हार्या दी म्हळ्यार दिनाय पूण हे प्रायवेट मनशां एक दिसान दिल म्हूण आम आयकिलां सो आम ते होरें कोण दिवपा रेडी रावपा नाय कित्याक हे पार्किंग जे मनीस माया म्हयन्या बिचीर गाडयो बाळ्यो घेवन येताय आपणागे माय बरी ना मायको चोलो जायना तेसो मनशां मू पार्किंग आम मागोन गेल्ले आनी आज चोच्या गेल्यार हे पयशे करपा पार्किंग जालां हे आम करपा दिवपा नाय आम कितलेय हार्ड वर्क कोतले पूण करून दिसनाय.